Are you looking to spruce up your meals with a healthy and flavorful addition? Why not try growing your own microgreens at home? In this video, we will show you how to start growing microgreens in 5 simple steps. The first step in growing microgreens is selecting seeds and soil. Choose organic seeds and a good quality soil to ensure that they germinate well and grow healthily. Once you have your seeds and soil ready, it's time to prepare your container. You can use anything from a plastic tray to a terracotta pot. Make sure it has proper drainage so that your seeds don't sit in water. Now it's time to sow your seeds. Scatter them evenly on the soil surface and then cover them with a thin layer of soil. Lightly spray the surface with water and cover the container with a lid or plastic wrap to create a mini greenhouse. After 3 to 4 days, when you see the sprouts, remove the lid or plastic wrap and place the container in a bright place, preferably near a window. Water the microgreens regularly and they'll be ready to harvest in 7 to 14 days. Congratulations! Your microgreens are ready to eat. Not only do they add flavor and nutrients to your meals, but they're also cost-effective and easy to grow. Start your own microgreens garden today.